Tired of letting your amazing audio and video content collect dust? Today, we're diving deep into Castmagic, an AI-powered content repurposing tool, to see if it can truly transform your content creation workflow. First, let's explore what Castmagic actually does. It takes your audio or video files and, using artificial intelligence, transcribes, summarizes, and repurposes them into various formats. Think blog posts, social media snippets, email newsletters, all extracted from your existing content. The core features include transcription, which is surprisingly accurate, especially with clear audio. Then comes summarization, where Castmagic distills your content into key takeaways. Finally, and perhaps most powerfully, it offers repurposing, automatically generating social media posts and even entire email sequences. But let's talk pricing. Castmagic offers several tiers, from free trials with limited minutes to more robust plans with unlimited usage. The user experience is fairly intuitive. The dashboard is clean, and uploading files is a breeze. It's pretty straightforward to navigate. But there are a few minor quirks now. For the big question, is Castmagic worth it? Well, it depends. If you're drowning in audio and video content and struggling to repurpose it, Castmagic can be a huge time saver. However, remember that AI isn't perfect. You'll likely need to edit and refine the generated content, so don't expect it to be a completely hands-off solution. Some potential limitations include occasional inaccuracies in transcription, especially with complex audio or multiple speakers. Also, the generated content sometimes lacks the nuance and personality that a human writer can bring. So, consider Castmagic as a powerful assistant, not a complete replacement for your content creation team. Ultimately, Castmagic is an efficient solution for content repurposing, but it's essential to weigh its benefits against potential limitations and determine if it aligns with your specific needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.